want to show you how to create an account with Payoneer. So, if you are wondering what is Payoneer, Payoneer is one of those um, international payment gateways where you can collect your payment from anywhere in the world. So, in any currency you want, it can be dollars, pound sterling, euro, so or any other currency that you want. So this is the tutorial on how to open it. So all you have to do is go to payoneer.com, or I could leave my link below, so where you earn $25, and I also earn $25 if when you receive your first $100 in payment. Okay, so you go to the link. uh, if you want. If you don't want, just go to payoneer.com and click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, already I have two Payoneer accounts, and both of them are functional. I am able to connect my access domiciliary to it. Here in Nigeria, I don't know where you're watching me from, but I'm able to attach a domiciliary account to my Payoneer. So, and also I connect a Naira account, a GTB account. So the problem about collecting your money with GTB or with your Naira account is that you will not be able to. Your rate will be in CBN value. So if CBN, I'm talking about people from Nigeria now. If CBN says that $1 is 485 naira, so that's how much you are going to receive your money with. So as against if you receive the money in dollars, for instance, you can exchange, at black market rate of 75, $750, 750 naira per dollar, and so on and so forth. So after clicking sign up, this is where you come to. Let's find the right account for your needs. So you have to state what do you do, right? So freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, individual. So let me just pick um, freelancer. Okay, get paid by international client or freelance marketplace. So okay, get paid by client or market or via marketplace. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that you can get paid by uh, from Upwork, Fiverr, Getty Image, and more. So you can also get paid by your global clients. Your clients can pay you with Payoneer. You can also withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at low rates. So withdraw funds at ATMs. Once you are able to once you receive your first $2,000 in the last 6 months, you can request for a card. You can request for a MasterCard that Payoneer is going to ship to you. So with that card, you can withdraw in any ATM in the world. So, but you'll not be able to request for the card if you don't have or you have not received up to $2,000 in 6 months. So last but not least, you can pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. So let's get right to it. So you click on register. So once you click on register, ensure that you pick individual. So if your business is not registered, but if your business is registered, so you pick company. So pick individual, so to not have a lot of problems. So you now fill all your details here, your first name here, so ensure that it's the first name that you use in a government issued ID card, right? Your last name, which is your surname, your email address, you re-enter email address, you put your date of birth, so and then you put the code below so that they will know that this is not a robot. So let's say Olaide. Okay. so that I'll be able to fill these details, and I will not be exposing my sensitive information. So after I filled all the details, it will highlight this next. Click on next. I'm posting this to be able to put these details. So before I leave this page, so they ask for the number on my card, the card you want to use. It could be your voter's card, it could be your international passport, it could be your driver's license or national ID card. Whichever one you want to use, ensure that you type out the number, your personal number, your personal identification number on that card. So type it there. I don't want to scroll up. If I scroll up, you will see my that number, and I don't want to expose my information. So that's what you're going to put there. And after you put it there, so you write what you see here inside here, and then you click. So right here, so please add a bank account for withdrawal that belong to you or your company. So here they are asking me to put a bank account for withdrawal. So the bank account has to be something that has my name, my details, so that it will match. If it doesn't match, so they will not agree for me to use it. Okay. So I'm going to uh, you're going to fill in all the details. I don't want to create another Payoneer account. I'm only doing this for educational purpose. So after you fill all of this, you just click on this one and this one, and then you click on submit this. So once you fill all these details, it will show that it will bring the colored submit. So this submit will change color to their official color, the one you can see here and all that. So I think what's that color stuff? I think wine. So it's going to change it, and then you can click on submit. Since I do not want to create another Payoneer account, so once you click on submit here, so your account will be open like that, and you can start using the account. I believe they are going to review your account based on the information you provided, and after it has been reviewed and it has been accepted, you have been verified. uh, you can now be using your Payoneer to receive payment from anywhere in the world. So I'm going to log into my existing Payoneer to show you a couple of things before we end this tutorial. So inside my account, so you see that um, they just charge my annual account fee, which is $0.3. So I opened a USD account, which is for US dollars, a Euro account, and and a British pounds. Okay, and a British pound, which is the third on the list. So this is where you see any information that they have for you, right? So if you have inbox messages that they sent to your inbox, this is where you see them. Let's go back. See your and also if you click this hamburger icon right here, you can see home. That was home. Get paid. If you want to receive payment, this is what you click on. So if you want to pay people, this is what you click on. If you want to withdraw the money you've already received, this is where you withdraw and transfer it. So this is where you see your account activities. This is where you see the banks that you have connected. If you haven't connect any banks or cards, this is where you do it. So business network, um, this is where you do some stuff like store manager. If you want to refer people to Payoneer, so this is where you refer people. You see your affiliate link there. Okay. Uh, okay. I believe someone joined my Payoneer account, using my link. As you can see, uh, if this person has received payment of up to $100, I would have received $25 from them, right? Look at this. After your friend signs up and receives a total of 100 US dollar, you both earn $25 reward. So it's a win-win. So if you use my link, you're going to get $25 and I'm going to get $25. Okay, so what else? Business applications. Uh, I think this is open to you for exploration. You can explore all of this on your home. Next, you can check the company you work for, store manager, and all that. Let's go back. What's other important? If you want to get paid, click on this. Okay, so you can request payment by clicking that. Um, okay, so far the money that I've received with my Payoneer, I've received them from companies like Fiverr, Upwork, to checkout, and all those platforms like that. So I have not received direct payment from people. I'm sorry, I'm doing this at night, so that's why it makes me human for you to see that I'm feeling sleepy. All right, so it's saying that for me to be able to use this request a payment, I have to earn the rest, which is 3,800, stuff. So um then I'll be able to. So then if I want to pay people, this is where I come to pay to a recipient Payoneer account, pay an Amazon advertising, pay VAT. So you can pay someone from Payoneer to Payoneer. You just put their email here and click on next, and make the payment. So that's how to create and you can also withdraw if you have some money in your account. So you can withdraw to your bank, can manage your currency. So you just select your balance, and fill this form, how much you want to receive, and then click on review, and the money will land in your account. So create your account, connect it, and how do you connect it with those companies? You connect with under business network. This is where you connect with companies you work with. This is where you connect them, with other company, right? Look at this now. Fiverr to check out, JVZoo, share a sale. So here are the places where you make your connections, where you collect your money from. With those companies, so Payoneer would not be verifying or doing anything. He knows. Payoneer knows, or the people that work in Payoneer know that if you're working with those companies, you don't need any verification. You are doing legitimate work there, and you can use Payoneer to receive your payment. So that's it. If you have any question that have not been that has not been answered in this video, please leave the such questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you in another video. But before you do, please remember to leave a thumbs up to this video, like and subscribe, so that anytime I release new amazing videos, and also ensure that you click on the notification bell, so that when you receive when you come on YouTube, you'll be able to see my videos, the ones that I've made to help you make money online. So I'll see you in another video. Thank you very much for watching.